Hello, my name is Nick Carroll, and this unboxing is going to be a little bit different from my channel. Okay, so in this video I'm going to go ahead and unbox this Vizio 42-inch television set that I bought essentially for my son to hook up all of his consoles, etc. to in his room. He needs an upgrade from his 32-inch TV, which will end up going back into his younger brother's room. So anyways, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and switch to my camcorder to do the rest of this unboxing. Okay, as you can tell, this is a Vizio 42-inch television set. It's from the M series, and I'll put the exact model number on screen somewhere. But I'm going to go ahead and unbox this video right now, so here we go. Okay, now I've grabbed my little unboxing tool, so let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start over here by cutting some of the tape. And a little bit over here. Do that as well. And then do this. And also this should start coming off pretty easily. Okay, now I'm going to put this down, and we're going to undo this part here. Again, I'm going to cut down here. I'm going to cut down here. And we're going to actually open it from the bottom and lift this up. Okay, now I'm going to cheat a little bit by pushing it back against this bed. And this is the part that we're going to open up all the way, because we're going to essentially pull the TV out this way. Okay, so not everyone needs to go through this production, but essentially the best way to lift up these TVs out of the box is not to actually pick it up out of the box, but to lift the box up to leave the TV there. So here we go. First, let me get some of the things out of the top just to make sure. Okay, so we basically pull up. Like so. Now this box is out of the way. We can take the bottom out of there. Here's another box from the back. It's got some of the accessories. Now we can lift this up out of the way. Like so. Now this is out of the way. And we can essentially take this off to reveal the screen. Move this out of the way since we don't need that. And now let me show you the back of this display here. You can see the various inputs here and here. And this is where the stand will connect to on this television set. And let me show you the side profile. Not too bad. Alright, now I'm going to take this part out. This is what's going to actually connect to here once you attach some screws to it. Okay, and now we will go ahead and open up this accessory box, and you can see what's in it. Here's the remote control. Here's the power cable. Here are the screws that will be used for the assembly of this. Some AAA batteries for the remote control, which is convenient. The quick start guide, both in English and Spanish, and you can see the model number here, M422i-B1. So these are 7 M4 14mm Phillips screws, so you can use any old Phillips screwdriver to connect these. Next, we're going to remove this plastic from the base. And here's the base itself, which will be used to connect to here essentially. So there will be 4 screws to use there, and then 3 screws here, 1, 2, 3. So that's pretty convenient. I'm going to actually screw these 3 together first, and then I'll connect it here and screw it in the rest of the way. For this, you want to screw it in a little tight, only very slightly tight for these 3, and then tighten them all together. Okay, I've got all 3 in just to a slight extent. Okay, now that they're in tight, I pretty much just connect this here. I'll have to readjust this so it fits a little better. Okay, that's perfect. Now that we've got these in here, we're not going to tighten these very much. We're going to just get the screws in there just a little bit, and then we will gradually tighten them. And now we're done. Okay, and if you want a closer look at this, you can see there's HDMI, composite, component actually. You can use composite if you just use that, but if you use all the green, blue, and red with the stereo, you get composite or component video. There's also a USB port right there. Then over here, you get 1, 2, 3 other HDMI ports. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4 HDMI ports on this. Then you have your cable antenna. You actually have an Ethernet connection up there if you wanted to connect this directly to a switch. Then you have your audio out as well, and your optical audio out. And then over here you have the actual power, the AC power. And there's the Vizio logo. Okay, that's going to do it for this quick unboxing of this 42-inch Vizio TV. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.